Welcome back to the next video in the series of beginning Google Docs. The next thing we're going to talk about today, we're going to review a little bit what we did last time, then we're going to move on to the next set in the menu titles here, the commands. So if you recall, if you hover, you have undo, redo. We talked about those, they were very important. Print, spell check, format painter. If you don't remember, that's where we made all the changes and made stuff come back the way that we wanted to duplicate formatting. The 100% we didn't spend a lot of time on because everybody kind of gets how that works. This part is more for text for web pages. Obviously, font and size, I think you know about. We talked about bold, italic, underline, text color. And then we kind of left off on highlight color. So if you click highlight color and click, then you select some text, it will make that color. Well, it was supposed to, highlight color. Oh, that's because I got to pick it first. My bad. Even people that know make mistakes once in a while. That'd be me. There you go. And of course, remember, you can always get rid of that if you click the undo button, which is the left, or push Control Z. So that takes us to this little quadrant right here. And then these four. We'll talk about these today. So link. What this does, and you'll use it more when we get into our Google Slides, but it allows you to link to a certain spot on the internet. So if I choose these words and I click link, it's going to say, okay, well, where do you want to link to? And it tries to guess where you want to go. And you can link to different images, different sites or pages or whatever. Click there, you can, the heading, yeah. So it's pretty simple to do. It's just, you kind of have to have a link that we do. We use that in Google Slides a lot when we make our non-linear slide presentations so they can jump around. The next one is comments. And I really like comments. I've used it quite a bit with students. So like if I highlight this and I click comment, I can also do that over here. I'm going to click comment and it says, well, what do you want to comment? Why are these different sizes? Then everybody that has access to the doc will see that, and then they can go in and address it or do what they need to fix it. It's kind of up to them. The last thing is putting in an image. The key to putting in an image is knowing where to go find it. So if I click this, it's going to give me some choices. You can upload it if you have it in your downloads folder. You can search the internet. I'll show you that in a second. You could bring it in from Drive, from Photos if you know the link of it, or you could actually just take a picture with your camera. So I'm going to click here, search the web, and it pops up over on the side so I can stay in the same place. And I'm going to search for cats. And once I see one, like this one, and I click it and click insert, and it's going to put it right in, and it's going to be wherever my cursor was is where it's going to put it. Once I get the image in, I can move some things around and do some different things with it. So that's our lesson for today. Hopefully that gets you a little bit further across the bar. Next time we'll talk about these on the right side. Thanks for watching.